Vice President Constantino Chiwenga's former wife, Mary Mubaiwa, appeared at the Harare Magistrates Court on Monday in a wheelchair, visibly frail and struggling. Sanamira mashoko atinoti aiwa vanhu vakunzwira tsitsi Mary Mubaiwa vachiti aiwa pachine future yeupenyu here ipapapa, aiwa achararama kusvika riniko, vanhu vachiona kuti aiwa the vice president aiwa is very brutal. Sanamira mashoko anobuda nyuka panapa ndokuti wasubscribe like on the bell icon. Tipinda pahinduism anyora achiti Mary, who has had her left leg and the right hand amputated, is currently facing charges of attempted murder and money laundering. Her health has severely deteriorated, yet she continues to be dragged to court without adequate support from the government. In her court appearance, Mary's lawyer Beatrice Mtetwa filed an application for a permanent stay of prosecution, citing a critical health condition as a barrier to fair proceedings. My client is extremely sick and unable to give her proper instructions due to her condition, said Mtetwa, emphasizing that Mary is in constant pain, heavily medicated and often sedated. The attempted murder charges stem from accusations that Mary tried to unplug Chiwenga's life support system while he was hospitalized in South Africa. The application argues that there has been an unreasonable delay in proceedings and that Mary's declining health should make any further prosecution unjust. Mary Mubaiwa's case highlights a bitter reality. A woman now severely disabled, financially struggling, and physically wasting away is still forced to defend herself in court against accusations from one of the nation's most influential figures. Thomas Kwanabuda Panapa, Zim Ayavachit Iowa, Upenyu Wamiri Oparara, Panapano questions as a defend court, the critical condition ya Ari, Yachi Zamo, who say for opinion wake. Upon Kokun's Iowa, animal charges against Iowa, she wanted to unplug our VP's life pakaka ari mu hospital mu South Africa. Zvatoona kuti kunyange ma travel documents ake akakepchiwa. She can no longer get treatment outside of Zimbabwe. Nema conditions ari mu Zimbabwe atona kuti my health systems my health sectors aiwa akadhakwa. Do you think kuti anoseva pakadai? Budze mafunguro enyu mutikudipa musoro pechitiko ichi. Pinda comment section medu, subscribe or like, turn on the bell icon.